Left you guys for a good amount of time without an update about what's going on with this car, so I basically got the interior completely all wrapped up and done. I bought this cool, already done convertible top cover, which really wrapped up the rest of the car. So at this point, I was calling the interior pretty much done, and then I was driving it and just around town a little bit, just trying to enjoy it, but it's a fishbowl and it's weird. So, anyways, after that, we flew with Kaylee and Caleb to Kauai and with some other family and friends. And what we're doing there is celebrating their wedding that they were having there. We were staying in Kauai just outside of the airport, and I got to rent a Jeep Rubicon, which was pretty nice. And until I found out that there is probably about 20 other Jeep Rubicons in the parking lot, so it really wasn't that special, but still fun to experience. Did a lot of driving around the island and checking out cool spots. It was very pretty. Got to check out the mini Grand Canyon in Kauai, which I recommend if you go there just to drive up. It's only like an hour and a half away from the airport, and then it's awesome. So it's not just blue, beautiful water like this. There's also so much more to look at. Anyways, water was great. Driving around was nice, and just being there with some family and having some time off from the real world, I guess. And the wedding turned out awesome, even if there was chickens all over the place. And it stopped raining just for the wedding, so praise the Lord. The wedding went by without a hitch. Well, that hitch right there. So great. What a cool experience. I got home. I sold the Nova not that long after getting home, actually. Convertible life is just not for me, and this car is pretty dang small, and for the things I wanted to do to it, it'd really take away from the originality of the car, and I couldn't bring myself to it. I just wanted to leave it how it was, and I just wasn't enjoying it like I was hoping I would. So typical me fashion, I got rid of it. And then just got to hang out with the boys while they worked on their stuff, and that was fun to see. And you see in the upper right hand corner, you can peek what I bought to replace the Nova. Went and was looking at 5th gen Camaros. I'd never had one. I thought they're kind of cool. I wanted one that particular generation, and I rented a car and drove 4 hours to Southern Oregon and drove this thing back. It is LS3 with a 6-speed manual. It's got all the cool stuff, Brembo brakes. It's a 2SS RS, so it has everything, like sunroof, leather, heated seats, air conditioning. It's got absolutely everything, and it's so fun to drive. I've already put in 2,000 miles on this car in just the couple months that I've had it, but I don't know what I'm gonna do. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. Got some weird things going on with work being slow and just not sure what the future has. So I'm just kind of iffy if I can keep it or sell it. But right now I'm just going to enjoy the heck of it and drive it. And it's a cool car. It's pretty rad looking. It gets lots of looks. It's a blast to drive. This car actually might get me into trouble just because when you get pissed off and you want to throttle down, it's pretty easy. But I don't think I'm going to do any work on this anytime soon the way it is until I find out, what's going on with future stuff. But what I'm really enjoying is my FJ Cruiser. I've done a ton of work to it in the past year. And this is something that I can enjoy with my boys actively right now. And I got a lot of money into this thing, and it's never let me down. And it's been just nothing but fun. So I got some more work that I'll be doing to this, and then the Camaro I will just be driving for now, and guaranteed if anything changes and I get rid of something or get something new, I'll be sure to let you guys know. And if you stay subscribed, even though I don't have the old stuff, that's freaking awesome. If not, I get it.